The invention of the jet engine is one of the most revolutionary achievements in the human history. It completely transformed the aviation, warfare, and the global travel. Before the jet engines, aircraft relied on the propeller and the piston engines, which had clear limits in the speed, attitude, and the efficiency. The jet engine broke those limits and opened the door to the modern world of high-speed flight. You are watching the Universal Knowledge Group channel. In today's videos, we have to know about the invention of the jet engine. Let's start the video. The idea behind the jet propulsion is a simple but a powerful. Push a air or gas backward at the high speed to move up forward, following Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. All through the science was known for a century, a practical jet engine were impossible until advances in the material and the engineering. As early as the 1st of AD, a hero Alexandria invented a steam-powered device called the heliopile. We demonstrate the basic jet propulsion system. In a later century, rockets use a similar principle, especially in the China. However, these early ideas were not suitable for the aircraft. By the early of 20th century, the airplane used a piston engine with a propeller. While they improved rapidly during the World War I and the interwar period, the propeller aircraft faced serious problems. A propeller lost efficiency at the high speeds. Engine struggled at the high altitude. Aircraft could not easily approach the speed of sound. Engineers realized that the aircraft were to fly faster and higher, and completely new propulsion system was required. A true birth of the jet engine began with Sir Frank Whistle, a British Royal Air Force officer in 1928, while he still a cadet. Whistle proposed an aircraft engine that used as a gas turbine instead of the propeller. His idea was a revolutionary but largely ignored at the time. In 1930, the Whistle patented his turbojet engine design. The engine powered by drawing air into the engine, compressing the air and mixing with the fuel and ignited it, and expelling the hot gases at the high speed to produce a thrust. Despite the skepticism and the lack of funding, the Whistle continued his work in 1937. His first jet engine prototype successfully ran on the ground. He proved that the jet propulsion was not a theoretical, it's a practical. At nearly the same time, the Hans von Oyen, a German physicist, independently developed a similar idea working for a aircraft manufacturer Heinkel von Oyen, built a functional jet engine in 1939. His engine powered by the Heinkel HE-178, the world's first jet-powered aircraft to fly. A historical flight took place on August 27, 1939, just day before the World War II began. A World War II accelerated jet engine developed dramatically. Both German and the Britain recognized the military advantage of a jet-powered aircraft: greater speed, a higher altitude, and the improved performance. Germany introduced a Messerschmitt Me-260, the world's first operational jet fighter. It was far faster than the Allied propeller aircraft and could outrun enemy fighter with the ease. However, the technical issue and the strategic mistake limits